Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fishco. In this video, we will talk about some more one-liners that are beneficial for your JRF exam as well as fisheries related other competitive exam. So let's start. First of all, bad news wrapped in a protein. They are termed as virus. Enzyme used to cut DNA at a specific site, so it is restriction enzyme. And enzyme used to join DNA at a specific site, it is DNA ligase. DNA fingerprinting technology, it was invented by Alec Jeffrey in year 1958. Agarose gel electrophoresis is used for sieving of DNA based on base pair. Development of embryo without contribution from male parent, so it is gynogenesis, and without contribution from female parent, it will be androgenesis. In hybridoma, B lymphocyte fused with myeloma cells leads to the production of monoclonal antibody. Libia rohita, that is rohu, and katla katla, that is katla, are bred together, and the species formed by this breeding has a wider food spectrum. Conjugated protein that determine heredity, it is nucleoprotein. Between adenine and thymine, there is double bond. UN declared best food for tomorrow is, that is spirulina. DNA probe, it is a small nucleotide sequence. Sperm preserved in liquid nitrogen, it is a cryopreservation technique minus 196 degrees Celsius. It is also termed as gene banking. Complete set of chromosome arranged according to size, this is known as karyotype. Cryopreservation of fish egg can't be done because they have presence of yolk. Prophenol oxidase are found in the hemolymph of crustaceans. It acts as a defense reaction of crustacean. Most commonly used immunology method is, it is ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Size of primer used in PCR, so it is 20 to 24 bases. Substance causing specific immune response, it is vaccine. Triplet codon of mRNA for synthesis of methionine, it is AUZ. Soluble factor that can inhibit viral invasion, it is interferons. Bhimtal Lake is in Uttaranchal. Shrimp complete entire life cycle in seawater, that is Parapinopsis stylifera. State with maximum small reservoir, it is Tamil Nadu. Delicate larval stage of shrimp, it is Zuya. Soft shell syndrome in shrimp is caused by adverse environmental condition. Hybrid of lake trout and brook trout, it is splake. Mud bank special feature of Kerala, means mud bank are abundant in Kerala. Exploratory Fisheries Project, that is FSI 1983. Black gill disease in shrimp by H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Water stability of shrimp feed should be minimum of 2 hours. Moist feed suitable for sea bass. Then biological value in feed studies, nitrogen. Most powerful anti-nutritional factor in plant ingredient is, it is phytic acid. Simazine is used to control blue-green algae. Yellowhead virus reported in Thailand. Seaweeds are rich in iodine. Common marine blue-green algae responsible for red tide is Trichodesmium erythraeum. Largest cephalopod, Archaeoteuthis species. Plankton suitable for common carp larva, it is zooplankton. Upper limit of protein in feed, it is 66%. Temperature of water increases, solubility of gases decreases. Key nutrient in aquaculture, it is nitrogen. Maturation period of Macrobacchium rosenbergii is 4 to 7 months. Okay, so that's all for this one-liners. We will discuss some more one-liners in next video. Till then, thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, stay safe.